I'm in Cubase Pro, but I see my Elements gang in the comments, so this one is for you guys. Trick 1, comping vocals. Instead of using lanes to record several takes, you can do this. So you can have a folder for one specific type of vocal, like the lead, with a bunch of tracks, one for each take. And when you've recorded some takes, hold Option or Alt and make some cuts in between the different parts of the vocal right on the folder track. Select the first one and press P so you can loop it. And then while you hold Command or Control, click the solo buttons to go through the takes.
Feeling magic in the air tonight. Feeling magic in the air tonight. Feeling magic in the air tonight.
For the takes you don't like, select them, Shift M to mute, and Shift U to unmute. Or you can use the mute tool. And if you want to hear the music while you're comping, then hold Option or Alt and click the solo buttons of the music tracks to prevent them from getting muted. By the way, I'm doing all of this in the Elements version of my new singer-songwriter template that will be available soon. If you want to join the waiting list so you can get a nice discount when it drops, then check the link in the description. Trick 2, modulators. Instead of using modulators to get some cool effects like with the LFO and the shaper, you can do this. Have the effect on the right track. Click on the parameter that you want to modulate. I'll do the frequency. Open the automation lane and it'll be right there. And now you can go up here, choose a shape, have snap on, choose a grid size, and start drawing. Or if you want a different shape, just click it in. I'll do something crazy like this. Then grab the range tool, select a bar, Command or Control C to copy, right arrow, Command V to paste, and so on. Beautiful. Trick 3. Instead of using track versions, if you have different versions of something and you don't want to make your computer work too hard, you can right-click on the version that you're not using at the moment and disable it. And if you do need it, you can right-click it and enable it again. Trick 4. Instead of rendering in place, if you want to consolidate effects on audio or if you want to consolidate some MIDI, you can solo the track, select the audio or MIDI, press P to set the locators. If you have effects, you can add a tail, Command or Control E for the export menu. And over here, after export, select Insert to Pool. Command or Control P to open the pool. And then you can drag the new file into your project. And trick 5, if you want to improve the timing of your recordings, instead of using Audio Warp, Vocal Align, Vary Audio, tools like that, you can do this. Let's go back to my vocal comp. If you hold Option and Command or Alt and Control, you can do slip editing like this. Click and drag. And you can also, if you want a word to be longer, go here and choose Sizing Applies Time Stretch. And then stretch it. I hope that helped. If you want more Elements content, let me know. Thanks for watching and have fun making music.